step one, power off. Bam, done. All right, step two, might as well clean the basket since I'm here. Pull that out, we'll clean that. That's a mess. We'll put it over here for now. And then we'll get it clean. All right, so this is our new filter. So let's unbox it. Let's pour her out. Woo! They're light when they're new. Yeah, that's it right there. So we got to put that inside of that canister. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right, so we got it out of the box, but let's go ahead and get it out of there. So, important note, take that off it before you stick it inside your filter. All right, let's put this box over there. All right, so now we got to get that inside of that, don't we? All right, so anyway, I got to unscrew this. Oh, God, it's so tight. All right, so to get this off, you can't open this. It takes some of the vacuum out. You hear it hissing? Then I've got to go lefty-loosey with this. And this takes a lot of turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See how hard it is? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then I hear that little movement. 19, 20. It's about 20 turns, and then it'll come right off. Okay? Set that over there. All right, let me pull back a little bit here so you guys can see what I'm going to do. So I've got to get that filter out of there, right? It's a little tricky, okay? Because it's heavy now, it's wet. So what I do is I grab it with both hands and I pull up and I set it on there, like that. Okay? You guys can see that? Then I'm going to reach under here, lift it up, and just set it down, like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, now let me show you. All right, so anyway, here's the old filter. Here's the new, substantially lighter and cleaner, right? So now we've got to put that filter in there. But first I like to pull some of this gook out of here. You know what I mean? Just like that. And then we can go ahead and stick this filter in there. And this one's pretty easy to do because I can lift it with one hand. And what I have to do is I've got to get it around this. You follow me? So let me just slide this over a little bit. We'll walk this over here. I'm just going to lift her up, just like that. And I just got to go over those two, like that. You follow me? And then if you look down here, you can see them. And you don't want them to get caught. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of slide the filter down and then kind of twist it. So you slide the filter down and you kind of twist it and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now it's in there. Now we just got to put the cap back on. But before we put that cap back on, this thing is just like super heavy. I mean, just really heavy. Let me just move it over here out of the way. Before we put the cap back on, we want to clean it. You know what I mean? We want to clean all that gook out of there. So I'm just going to get my hose and squirt it. So I'm going to try to get all that stuff out. We kind of twist it. Get that all wet. Turn it. And I think we're good right there. We also got to clean our basket. Follow me? So I want to get this thing clean. I think what I'll do is I'll just bang it. So I'm just going to bang it in here. Try to get most of it. And get it with my hands. Okay. And now we can just kind of squirt it. Here. Try to get as much of the stuff out as possible. All right, that's it. Now we want to put this back. You follow me? So we're going to go ahead and put her back first. Slide it down in there, just like that. And then I'm going to set this on top, Well, I could prime it. Let me prime it. Let me get the hose. We'll prime it a little bit so that it's got some water in there. You know what I mean? And then we'll grab the cap, set her on top, and that takes a little bit of the load off the engine. And now I just got to get this top back on there, right? So I've got the top, and I want this pointed away from the motor. So I'm just going to slide this down on top like that, right? And then I just got to tighten her down. It's going to take 20 turns, right? And it'll start getting tough to turn here. And then you look down here, you can make sure that you're good. And then you can feel it pop, and you just keep going until it gets nice and tight. Then check. Make sure you're good on both sides. Get it a little snug, and then kind of leave that open. And now we've got to go ahead, turn her back on, right? So we're going to come over here, hit it, and then you'll see the water come in. Right there. Pulling it in. So this filter's completely dry, so it's got to saturate it. So it takes a little bit. You can hear it. Pushing the air out right here. Air's coming out of there. You feel it. Here she comes. So you can see there's a lot of air in there. Any minute now. Might have to speed this part up. Here it comes. Oh, that's a good stream. That looks good. All right, let's close it off. Make sure you close that off. All right, if you want to see the type of filter this is a Hayward. And if you want to know what filter you should buy, it's down here in the corner. And you can see it's a 1750. Right there, so see how it's punched out? And it tells you exactly what you need. They have different sizes, but that's a 1750. And that's the filter you're going to buy on Amazon. And that's it right there. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle. We just got to throw that one away. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.